Meteorologist Cedric Haynes is in our Storm Alert Weather Center. Cedric?
Good afternoon, Michelle. Yeah, we've had some changes. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we had lots of sunshine out there, but today we've got those clouds moving in, even some areas of fog showing up across the area, and even some spotty showers. And that's going to be the story as we go throughout the rest of this afternoon. We'll have a couple of passing spotty showers moving on through the area. No heavy rainfall expected, but you're going to see this flow here of spotty showers moving through. Notice all the cloud cover is socked in across the Tennessee Valley, so don't expect much at all in the way of sunshine out there. And even notice a couple of isolated thunderstorms, a few small ones just south of Nashville, a few more over towards West Tennessee. Now, I don't expect to see a lot of thunderstorm activity today, but this is just a sign that the atmosphere is getting more prime. So as we look over at the surface map, you can see a stretch of cloud cover going from the Tennessee Valley all the way back through the state of Texas and down into the Pacific Ocean. And that's where we're going to be tapping into some of that deeper moisture. And as that deeper moisture rises north, that's going to provide us with better chances of rainfall, both increasing intensity and in coverage, but also the potential of several waves of rainfall because we've got a couple of disturbances that are going to tap into that, what we call the atmospheric river of moisture down to our south. So the first one coming in out of Kansas and Nebraska, that is going to make its way here and bring us our first wave of heavy rainfall Saturday night into Sunday. And then that second wave arrives as we go into Sunday night into Monday. That's with that secondary low pressure coming on through. So let's talk about the rest of this afternoon first, because again, we're looking at that chance of off and on passing showers. Again, today is not the heavy rainfall day or widespread rain, but we will have some of these spotty showers that will kind of rotate through as we go throughout the next few hours. But again, not going to amount to a ton out there. But again, the next big thing that we're focused on is that risk of heavy rainfall, especially arriving as we get towards the upcoming weekend here. And so that's when we're going to want you to kind of pay close attention. In fact, as we go to the weekend, let's talk about the weather setup here, because we're going to have a risk for flash flooding developing. And it's because this boundary is going to stall out, and it's going to be kind of like train cars on a train track. So we've got one area of low pressure that's going to move through Saturday night and Sunday, and it's going to ride along that boundary and bring us a round of heavy rainfall. And then we'll have a secondary area of low pressure that's going to move through Sunday night into Monday along the same areas. So that's why we have that elevated risk of seeing that potential of flash flooding. You can see here in the Tennessee Valley, primarily it's a level 2 out of 4 risk there. So again, just means that not it's going to be flooding everywhere, but it just means that with this type of rain in a short period of time, you've got to be aware that that water level could rise fairly quickly. Now remember, we were in a drought for so long that getting 1 to 3 inches of rainfall was good news, and we could use every little bit of that, but the ground is pretty moist now, so not all of that can soak in at one time. And you can see that zone of heavy rainfall kind of extending right on up through the Tennessee Valley in the form of about 2 to 4 inches potentially across the area. So today we're looking at these temperatures a little cooler with the clouds and the rain. Upper 40s to the north. We've got mid 50s down to the south. As we go throughout the rest of this afternoon, these temperatures will creep up into the upper 50s to right around 60. Again, not raining all day today, but there will be a few passing showers from time to time and lots of cloud cover and some patchy dense fog out there as we go throughout the day, but keep that rain gear somewhat close by as we go throughout that time frame. We've got that first round of showers moving through now, but here we go late Saturday into Sunday, that heavy wave of first round of rain into Sunday morning. It tapers off during the day Sunday, but then Sunday night into Monday, here comes round 2 of heavy rainfall potential, making its way on through the area there. So a lot of rainfall on the way in a short period of time. So PM heavy rainfall on your Saturday, mid 60s, and then we get some heavy rainfall in the morning on Sunday, and then more coming in late Sunday night into Monday. And again, when you add it all up as that zone of heavy rainfall trains across the Tennessee Valley, that's going to feature about 2 to 3 inches at least, if not a little bit more. So we got a storm alert weather day basically for the weekend so that you're aware of that potential of heavy rainfall and the threat of flash flooding. But otherwise, today, Michelle, clouds, a few showers, but not horrible, just not as nice as earlier this week.